Hey, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you 4 different hacks that you can implement into your business to overcome Chinese New Year and still make money, still bring in revenue and still keep your customers happy. So Chinese New Year is on the 5th of February, and basically what Chinese employees do, they have like a week off work. So there's like a week and then another week's lag time where orders can't be fulfilled on AliExpress. So I'm going to show you some little hacks on how you can overcome this and still make money during Chinese New Year, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first way that you can overcome Chinese New Year is to find a US based supplier on AliExpress. So let's say you wanted to sell like LED dog collar. Obviously this is a really old product, but let's say this was your winning product, or it's a product that you want to test during Chinese New Year. So what you do is search for the product on AliExpress and find a supplier. And then here where it says ships from, you want to click, rather than China, because most suppliers are Chinese based, you want to click somewhere other than China, so the US for example. And then what this does is it filters it and finds US based suppliers for this product. So then you can just like click on it, click on the product, and then just to make sure, what you want to do is just contact the supplier directly, send them a quick message just confirming that orders can be fulfilled during the dates of Chinese New Year. So just put like, hey, I've got a lot of demand for this product. Please confirm that you can send orders during Chinese New Year. So they should be able to fulfill orders during Chinese New Year, because this is from a US based supplier, so this is dealing with a US warehouse, and so they'll be like US employees rather than Chinese employees, so they're not going to like be taking a break during Chinese New Year. And the good thing about this also, you'll get quick shipping times. So because you're shipping from the US and you're going to be shipping to a US customer, it only takes like 5 to 9 days, sometimes even less. Sometimes like it gets to the customer within 2 or 3 days. So it's a great little hack to kind of overcome Chinese New Year and still get your product to your customers. Okay, so another method is to install a pre-order app onto your Shopify store. And what this is basically an app which enables the customer to pre-order the product like kind of before the product's been manufactured or so. And so what it allows you to do is to kind of overcome that 2-week delay that you're going to experience on order fulfillment during Chinese New Year. So the customer, when they place the order, expects about a 2-week delay before their product even gets shipped, because they think they're pre-ordering a product. So this is kind of a way to overcome this, but the issue with this is that it will decrease conversion rates, because a lot of customers, when they come to your store, they'll want to essentially just buy the product straight away. They don't want to pre-order things, they want it delivered that day or within a few days, and so it will decrease conversion rates. But if you can't find a US supplier on AliExpress for your winning product, and you want to still be able to sell it and bring in kind of revenue for that product, then this is a great little app to use. However, the method that I previously discussed, by finding a US based supplier, is more desirable than this, but this can be kind of a last resort solution to Chinese New Year if need be. Okay, so another way to overcome Chinese New Year difficulties is to go to your ESP, your email service provider, so whatever you're using, it might be MailChimp, Klaviyo, whatever, and then create a customized order notification for your customers during the period of Chinese New Year. And then when customer places the order on your site, what they'll then get is a customized order notification. So rather than the normal customer notifications where they'll kind of get tracking information and so forth when the order's fulfilled, what you want to do is inform the customer within this email that there's been a production delay of roughly 2 weeks, or kind of like 10 days or whatever, and let them know that this is going to cause kind of a 10 or 2 week delay on the time in which their order gets shipped out. And then ask them, is this okay? Shall we proceed with this order with this delay? And if the customer says no, replies and says no, specifically, just give them a refund. If the customer says yes, or they just don't reply to the email, then assume that they do want to proceed with the order and then fulfill the order with the supplier, and even though there's going to be a 2-week delay. So this way the customer is fully informed that there is going to be a delay with their shipping, and so they're going to expect that 10 or 2-week time period where their order hasn't even been shipped yet. So it's a great way to keep the customer informed, and you still retain high conversion rates on your site because the customer doesn't know about the delay until they've placed the order, and then you inform them. But obviously make sure you refund customers that decline this and say no to this, because otherwise you're going to get loads of chargebacks and so forth. So this is a great little hack. Okay, so the final way to overcome Chinese New Year is to basically find a fulfillment agent for your product, so you can ship in bulk to a fulfillment service and they can fulfill your orders for you. So what you want to do is go to Google and just type in US fulfillment agent and find one which best suits your needs. So you're going to need to talk to their customer support, tell them what you need doing. Are you going to ship a product in bulk from China to a warehouse in the US preferably, and then you want orders being fulfilled over a certain period of time. The issue to this is that you only really want to do this for winning or validated products, so products which you know are going to sell. So a product that you're currently scaling that you know is going to pretty much guaranteed to sell, because what you need is you need capital, preferably at least $1,000 to ship a decent volume of the product from Alibaba to the US fulfillment center. So you're going to need kind of cash in the bank to be able to do this, and so you don't want to kind of risk wasting all this money on a product that then doesn't sell. So you want to know that you've got a validated product before you get a fulfillment agent. So this is a great way to overcome Chinese New Year, and it also offers good customer experience for people who order on your store, because you get quick shipping times. You can get the product distributed to the customers quickly. This is probably the best way, but it only works on existing and winning products. So if you're currently in the testing phase, then do the 3 methods that I previously spoke about in this video. But if you've got a winning product that you know is going to sell, then look into getting a fulfillment agent that isn't through AliExpress, so you can still ship your orders during Chinese New Year. Because Chinese New Year is a great opportunity, because a lot of drop shippers just stop running Facebook ads altogether and just wait till Chinese New Year's over. So it opens up a lot of opportunity, and you get lower CPMs during the few weeks that Chinese New Year is happening, because there's less people promoting products on Facebook. So this is something that you definitely want to do and look into if you've got an existing winning product. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found that valuable, and if you did, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.